Can I call this hairstyle 2-in-1 hairstyle? Okay, this is what you'll be seeing in this video. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I created a simple yet elegant hairstyle on my daughter Ife Chukwu. So the thing is, I came back from work and she told me, "Mommy, please, can you do a new hairstyle for me? I don't like the old one again." I said, okay. So deep down, I know I really wanted to make something very quick, something very fast and yet beautiful on her hair. So I decided to make this hairstyle. You know, one thing I love about using rubber, colorful rubber to make kids hairstyle is that you can never go wrong with it. Okay, even if you don't know how to braid, even if you don't know how to weave, you can always use rubber to create beautiful hairstyles on your kids. Trust the process. I started off by dividing the hair into 2 equal parts, then proceeded to further divide it into 2 patterns. Then using my colorful rubber, I held it in position. Next thing you want to do is to weave the hair. Now here's the deal. If you don't know how to weave, you can as well section it into tiny parts and then use your colorful rubber. But if you know how to weave, proceed to weave. Go ahead, do your thing. While we're making the hairstyle, let's have a little chit chat in between. Okay, so here's the question. Why is it that when most people work for a particular company or an office, and probably when they stop working for that company or office, they begin to badmouth that company? Why? Meanwhile, they enjoy their stay at that particular company while the offer lasted, right? And the company paid them, but immediately they stop working for that particular company, they begin to badmouth that company. Because I met someone sometime and then the person started telling me about the previous place she worked and all that. She said a lot of negative stuff about the previous place she worked, and it didn't really go down well with me, because I know when she worked there, probably they paid her well or they treated her well and all that, even though they may have some lapses here and there, some going back and forth and all that. But then again, I don't think it's wise or nice for people to kind of badmouth the place they once worked before. Or what do you think? I mean, my rant actually is that people should be considerate. People should be mindful of the things they say. Some things are better left unsaid. And if you worked for a particular company, if you worked for a particular organization, you should know that tomorrow someone might as well work for you. So will you be happy if you find yourself in that position and then you hear people talking about, you know, I don't know, I just felt off with what she was saying. Anyway, enough of that. Let's go back to our hairstyle. Once you're done weaving, the next thing you want to do is to secure the hair to keep it in position using your colorful rubber. You can decide to use any color of your choice. Here I used pink. At this point, you're halfway done. So basically, everything you did on this side, repeat the same process on the other side. Here our hairstyle is 89% done. Yay! So at this point, here you can decide to use the afro wig to attach at the back to give it a cheeky princess look. And oh yeah, she absolutely loved the hairstyle. Then again, I decided to play around with my Brazilian wool. I brushed it out to form something like this as seen in the video. Then I started weaving the hair, a bit braiding. Okay, so after that I tied it. How do I even put it? Like, I did like bantu knots at the back. Okay, I don't even know what to call the hairstyle, but I just did it and it came out nice anyway. So between the first one and this second one, which do you prefer? Let me know your thoughts at the comment section. Until my next video, stay safe out there. Make the right choices all the time. Okay, see you in my next one. Bye.